Hello friend, this is Dieffenbachia plant, also known as dumpkin plant. As I have kept this plant in water, you can see the white roots. It's a popular indoor plant for its striking foliage and ease to care. This plant thrives in indirect sunlight and prefer humid atmosphere. I'm replanting it with a mixture of garden soil and sand. I'm also gonna add vermicompost and fungicide. Thereafter, mixing them well. When replanting, be sure to add a support stake to help the plant grow upright. Also, keep in mind that this plant is toxic, so it's important to keep it out of reach of your kids and pets to ensure their safety. With the plant supported and kept away from pets and kids, you are all set. Thank you. Happy planting.